How gorgeous is this tree? This one in the middle. It is not just a tree.
Oh, I want to point at this.
No. I'm talking about this tree.
Yes, it's so beautiful. I'm going, is it?
I am not talking about this tree. This tree is gorgeous. If we had Wellington, but these are conversations we wouldn't have to have.
Yeah, but I don't. So.
At least you've got platforms, so you won't go all the way down. Go round the side.
No, because I won't slide. Oh my.
Yeah, no, go around the side. Yeah, it's okay. No, not that side. Go on this side. No, you're all right. I'm gonna go here to make sure you don't slide in.
Oh, but look. Oh no.
You good? You happy? You made it.
Yeah, but
Now we just have to get through this.
And look, the path's there.
This, my friends, is why everybody should have wellies. We made it.
Yeah, get off me. Yeah. Get off my